So you nominated Meghan Markle. I've been on the Time 100 once, and then once you're allowed to nominate somebody for the years moving forward. You nominated Meghan, yeah?
Well, she was an honoree this year, and I wrote like
her piece.
Right,
Right.
What is that called? Like a piece?
I don't know.
I think of it like Dwayne Johnson wrote mine.
Right.
I wrote Meghan, so it was like, but I don't know what it's called. Like a thing.
I don't know what it is either. I wrote the blob about why you're in there.
Yeah,
it's like written by someone that knows you.
Yeah, basically that's what it is.
I know. It's weird though, right? Because you're like, what do you call this?
But it's such a big sort of honor because it's.
Oh, it's amazing.
You know, it's
I was so scared to go to that thing. I'm like, what am I doing in this room?
100 most influential in the world.
Oh, creepy. Don't even say it.
No, it's amazing.
No, it was amazing, but I'm glad it's
being
done.
There.
Yeah, being there is very scary.
Yeah, being there is stressful.
I know, because you're looking around the room and you're just in awe.
Of the amount of people and their achievements and everything that they've done, but it's also like, it's a little bit of a pat on the back.
It's amazing.
Yeah.
It is. It's amazing. So, Meghan, of course, just became the most famous bride on the planet.
Right.
Did that flip you out? Like, oh, hey, by the way, I met a nice fella. You know, weird. And does she get to still like text people? Like, are they allowed to have phones? Is she still normal? Like, she's an American, but when you become a royal, do they take away everything? No,
I think
she's
she
still
has
a normal girl.
Yeah. You know, she really is. She's such a girl's girl, and I've known her for 3 years now. I'm so happy for everything that's happened to her because I really feel like she's one of those female icons that, you know, could be a strong idol for young girls around the world because she really cares about the world.
She's very cool.
But, like, for real cares, you know?
I met her only here at our show. I don't know her that well, but I just thought, wow, that's so weird.
But she still texts a lot, which is great.
So they didn't take her phone away?
No, she still has her phone.
I just thought that must be so trippy to pick up the phone and your girlfriend says today, I met this guy. So weird, right? So surreal, like knock on wood.
No, it's amazing.
Anyway, congratulations to the two of them. I think it's adorable.
I think